In busy workplaces, time matters, and so does accountability. Meet Aenon Smart Locker, your smart solution for managing IT assets with zero friction. Request for devices or equipment? Just scan, grab, and go. No paperwork, no waiting. Returns are just as easy, and everything is tracked automatically. Every transaction is secure, logged, and visible to your admin team, so you always know who took what and when. With role-based access and audit trails, your assets stay protected. Smart Locker automates check-in and out, reduces lost items, and frees up time for your IT team to focus on what really matters. Secure, system, smart, storage. That's Aenon Smart Locker for the modern workplace. Aenon Smart Locker, because IT lending should be smarter.